In this video, we're going to be replacing the four-wheel drive switch knob, which is located right here to the left of the HVAC controls. To replace this four-wheel drive knob, it's actually really easy. All you have to do is pull it out. If your old one is broken, like mine, as you can see, it's cracked everywhere in the middle. Most likely, this sleeve that makes it nice and tight on this shaft from the switch is stuck on the shaft of the switch. So remove that as well. And then your new one has this sleeve built into it right here. So now you can take it, line it up, slide it on, and there you have it. Now it'll work like new.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.